guiding me through the darkest night. Every promise is faithful and true. I will walk in your holy light.
Oh Lord, I treasure your commands, written deep within my heart. Forever I'll follow your righteous ways. From your truth I'll never depart.
Teach me, Lord, to keep your ways. Strengthen me when I go astray. Your statutes are sweeter than honey. They renew me day by day. I will meditate on your law. My song, my guide. Forever I'll walk